Here, boy. Anybody out there? Hey, puppy. Is he out there? Welcome back. Today's project is a new gate latch. This one here has been messed with too many times. They need something that can be opened from the outside so the people who mow the lawn can get in. So just use your pocket knife. Originally, this latch here had a lever that went through this old hole and through the gate, but then they decided to make the gate extra tall to keep Cujo in and covered up the hole and put this on, and there's no more thingy in there. Well, Cujo, is he still here? Is he in there? Alright, they got him blocked off. Whew. They pay someone to mow their big backyard and they need a way for them to get in. So we're going to take all this off here. Oh man, the stories that this latch could tell. This is your normal attachment for your impact driver. I suggest everybody go out and get themselves one of these. They come in a kit, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. Pops right into your impact. You can put normal size sockets on them. Link will be in the description. Whew. You got 2 pieces. This one right here goes in this hole right here. Just like that. Whoa! There's also a spring. Spring return. Real easy. Get on there. Gonna pre-drill. Keep Cujo in there. Time to mow the lawn. Cujo. So what does something like this cost? How much money are you saving by doing it yourself? You can expect to pay a handyman between $140 and $170 to do this. That does include the price of the latch. So I suggest you do it yourself.